Hey guys, me and Alex are back with another box opening, but this week it's a little bit different. We're not trying food, we've actually been sent a crystal box.
You know, we love opening food, but we do also love trying out different things, and this is going to give us a chance to do that because I'm into meditation and the whole relaxation thing, because it really helps me to shut off, because I'm the kind of person who, I've got spare time, I'm just always thinking, I'm always doing something,
Yeah.
and I find it really hard to just relax. But what I think you'd be interested in here is the crystals, because you like Joey Graceffa, don't you?
Yeah,
and he loves
really
his crystals.
into crystals. I'm really interested in this because actually me and Alex, we work quite late, we're quite night owls, aren't we, compared to early birds. So sometimes it really is hard to shut off before bed. I end up like overthinking, you know, writing lists in my head.
Yeah.
So I'm interested more actually in, you know, is this going to help me calm and things like that. And you've got quite a lot of stuff in here, as you can see. So should we crack in?
Yeah, let's go.
Let us know in the comments box down below, are you a crystal lover? Are you a candle lover? You know, someone who enjoys having baths, relaxation, meditation. So we have got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 things in here.
Cool.
Oh, 11 if you count the scroll.
And a cool little scroll.
Yeah, look at this. It's really cool. Wow, you get lots of information on here. So it's a crystal gift box by Lily J. Oh, we will leave all of the information in the description box down below if you'd like to get yourself one of these boxes.
Yeah, and by the looks of this is the one in time for Christmas.
Yeah.
So I believe if you want to get one of these boxes, you'll need to order quite soon.
Christmas is upon us, and it's the most wonderful time of the year to share with friends and family.
The month of December spans the horoscopes of Sagittarius and Capricorn, which brings a time for endings and new beginnings. So it is good to kind of like clear your mind and think, new year, let's go.
This month's box includes frankincense and myrrh, Himalayan pink and Dead Sea bath salts.
This is cool. Shall I get it out while you are? I believe it.
So
is it this
a
one?
custom blend made from the finest sea salts. Sprinkle them into a running bath for a luxurious skin softening soak and inhale the aroma to cleanse and uplift your thoughts.
Sniff that.
That reminds me of Christmas when we were younger, and even to this day actually, our dad always burnt candles, like tea lights. We got one over there, and on top he would have a frankincense and myrrh. I can never say that. Myrrh?
Myrrh. This smells so good. Did you say this is for the bath?
For the bath, yeah.
I know it's just an aesthetic thing, but I love these like dark glass bottles. A custom blend made from the finest salts with the highest mineral content. Naturally, they soften the skin, draw out impurities, and improve circulation.
Fancy.
I have to give half the go for you and half a go for me.
Yeah, that's really good. Moving on. Red Bush tea bag and English fruit tea bag for a relaxing cup of tea.
Ooh, I've never heard. I am big into drinking tea. I like green tea. I like, what am I drinking at the moment? Hibiscus. Loving hibiscus. And so this is
Have you never heard of Red Bush?
I've never heard of Red Bush.
I feel like
Naturally
Joe,
caffeine
you know,
free.
Peter and Joe. I feel like she likes Red Bush. And this is caramelized apple green tea. This is just taking me back to Mike's caramel apple Russell Stover.
Yeah, that sounds so good.
I wonder if that's good.
And what I love is, because don't you find it as well?
What?
That having a hot drink, because you never used to be in hot drinks.
No.
Hot drinks
like
really
hot
relax
drinks now.
you, don't they?
I have a hot water lemon.
They're just like soothing.
So we've got
relaxing.
2 twining tea bags. That's quite a posh brand here in the UK. Oh, this is nice. Angel wings decoration for hanging on your Christmas tree.
That's cute, isn't it?
That's really sweet. And then this doesn't have to just be for Christmas. You could probably put that on like your door handles or on your kitchen cabinets. We used to have like, Mum bought decorations for Easter once, and it was an egg.
Yeah.
And they just stayed on our cabinets for the whole year.
I don't do this
that?
personally, but I have seen people, they put them around and they are for good luck as well, I think.
Oh, really?
Throughout the year. But do you know what this reminds me of? In Home Alone, where he meets the pigeon lady. It's like a Christmas tree decoration. Is it almost the same?
It's a dove.
Oh, it's a dove.
And gives one to her, but I thought that too.
That reminds me so much of that. That's so cool though. I like that. So next we've got a candle representing your first root chakra, which is located at the base of your spine. This is thought of as the foundation on which we build our lives. Its energy is based on the Earth's elements, and it's associated with a feeling of safety and grounding. Use this candle to meditate, especially when you have any concerns or worries that you need to sort out.
That's cool. So you would actually burn this while you meditate. Give a sniff of that. I'm trying to think what that actually smells like.
Oh, yeah, smells good.
It kind of smells like Aesop. You know, the hand soap you've got, that shop.
Because I think this is so good because when there's like a scent or like an extra sense involved, and quite often smell with meditation, it really just does help.
Well, it probably makes it so much stronger when you meditate than when you're just walking around.
And because I have this spray that I spray before I go to sleep because I'm not the best sleeper. But when I smell the smell, it just makes me feel like I'm drifting off.
Someone put one of those in my room, but the spritz is broken.
Oh, really?
So I'm like, Christmas spice oil for use in your diffusers and oil burners. With notes of cinnamon, cloves, plums, and freshly crushed vanilla pods, this lovely fragrance brings warmth to your home during the holiday period and triggers happy memories.
Awesome. And that's going in here, is it?
Yeah, so this is something like what our dad used to use.
Why did I just put my thing so close to that?
Oh my word. Did it just frazzle it?
Yeah, can you smell that? I just burnt some
Oh
hairs off my arm.
No, wasn't it like, have you burnt that? No.
No.
So I think we have to do a few drops in there.
Yeah. 1, 2, 3, 4. Oh, I can smell it already.
Oh my word, yeah. That really smells like Christmas. What did it say? Christmas spice.
And don't you think in places like Urban Outfitters and that, smells have
wow.
really, since they've started putting candles in Urban Outfitters and things like that, people are really about having smells in the house.
I feel like
it's not just about decoration, it's about how...
I feel like candles and things like that are the biggest they've ever been. Do you not think?
Yeah.
That is really nice. That just hits the nail on the head for Christmas smelling, I think.
Yeah.
Oh wow. We've got loads of information on this bit. A turquoise polished tumblestone healing crystal, specially chosen for the month of December, chosen by Lily J. The ancient protective qualities associated with stone are truly unique as well as beautiful. Yeah, it's pretty actually.
Yeah, that's so nice.
Perfect for you to use as a healing stone, easy to carry with you or to give as a gift, providing solace for the spirit and well-being of the body. It's an all-round balancing stone and can aid with exhaustion. I need that.
Oh, I need that.
Depression or panic attacks, stabilizing mood swings and bringing inner calm. It's also a purification stone, dispels negative energies. Placed on the third eye, it enhances meditation.
I was literally just doing that. I was doing
Were you
this.
actually?
Yeah.
That's your third eye.
I don't
isn't
know
it?
why. That just felt right to do that.
Really?
How weird is that?
Placed on the third eye, it enhances meditation and intuition by relaxing the mind. Positioned on the throat or solar plexus to feel the benefits of this truly amazing stone.
It's
I
like
wonder
so
if you can
smooth.
put them in the fridge and then...
That diminish their powers if you put it in the fridge, do you think?
I don't know. I'm just thinking cooling. I would rather put it there. Something weird about...
Yeah.
I don't like apple.
You don't like apple?
No, what is that?
Your Adam's
apple.
Yeah.
Who has a collection of crystals and stones?
You don't have one, but I feel like you're on the edge of one.
I feel like I feel like when I was younger, I used to collect like crystals, and then every time I go on holiday, like I pick up I'm really drawn to those stones.
Ooh.
A sage smudge stick. Use this to meditate, cleanse auras, crystals, and your home. Remove the string, pull apart, and take a piece. Take a piece. Light it, then extinguish and put to use while still smoking, holding over a fireproof container at all times. So many of the people I follow on Instagram and YouTube now are really into like crystals, meditation, healing, and things like this. I also read, like, I used to follow this woman called Jennifer Stano, and she has crystals, but then every so often she'd put all her crystals out in the sun to re-energize.
That's so cool. Pull a piece out now, Kate. Oh. You got leaves everywhere. Do you think that's too big?
Oh,
or
wow.
do you think that's okay?
That's strong. So do I light this?
Yeah, I think so. And then you put it over something like this.
So pass the candle in a bit.
Yes. But you light it and then you blow it out, don't you? I'm not sure how long you do it for. Just like that. Do you like that? What do you think to that?
Holding over a fireproof container all the time.
Yeah, that's good. Like, it's fresh like this, isn't it? Obviously. And then when you... We'll leave that there to
Okay.
smoulder.
Now
Oh dear.
this is pretty. A sodalite crystal, especially chosen for this month by Lily J with guidance from the universe. It will be different each month, wouldn't it?
Yeah.
The healing properties of sodalite reduce the negative, enhance the positive. Its meaning is one of self-acceptance, self-esteem, and trust in your own judgment. It balances emotions, reduces panic attack, clears negative thoughts, fears, guilt, stress, and nervousness. It brings harmony to your inner self. Maybe I should have this a bit.
This looks so
It is
nice
also
on here,
said
look.
to encourage rational thought, truth, emotional balance, and intuition to calm the mind. It cleanses the lymphatic system, boosts the immune system, combats insomnia, and helps with weight loss. The stone is good in the home or office environment as it brings harmony, trust, solidarity, fellowship, and companionship between family and groups.
That's
Should we
cool.
put that in our office?
Yeah, let's put it in the office. And then I'll take a meditation during the day so we can feel closer. You, me and Matt feel closer together. I like that turquoise blue one, but now I've had a closer look at this.
It's almost
the
purple.
way it's got like the light colour
like
bits coming
navy.
through, and then it's like
That's
a
so
navy.
nice.
So beautiful.
Really like that. An angel card, especially selected for this crystal box by Lily J with guidance from the universe. Please read the message that angels have chosen for you. Okay, so this is different then.
Yeah.
So that's the symbol on the front, and then you have a little angel.
Yeah. And this is especially for you. So cool. That's great.
And then last but not least,
Oh yeah.
in your box, a free 20-minute personal face-to-face internet reading with Lily J, worth £20, asterisk, asterisk. First session free when purchasing 2 or more sessions. So
That's cool.
not only is it a box, you can also get face-to-face readings.
Yeah.
That's cool because when it's face-to-face, I'm guessing that'll be, it says internet, so
Internet
it doesn't
reading.
matter where you're from, as long as you speak English.
Yeah. Well, that's cool because these boxes, and like we know with our candy box, they go all around the
Yeah.
world, don't they? So it's cool that there's something like this. That means, although
more
it's not just getting a
interactive.
box, you're actually kind of getting more out of it than that.
Yeah.
And you can get like a more personal service, which is really cool. What did you think of the
That
box?
was really interesting. Not like anything we've opened before, but really interesting. And it's almost a bit of an eye-opener of how much I actually need to take care of my personal self.
I think
Do you not
that's,
think?
yeah,
Like-
I think it's something we all need to look at
Yeah.
in the modern day. Like I'm saying, life has become so fast. It's all about Instagram likes and
Yeah.
you know how many people follow you and how many friends you've got. And actually, it's all right to just stop and relax.
Yeah,
And
it's not often the thing is, I've stopped and relaxed and chilled, but I've either been watching TV or something like that. I've not stopped and relaxed and chilled doing like nothing
Yeah.
for a while.
But that's what I found hard with meditation at first. Is it's like you're just not doing anything, and it's like, well, I could be doing something in this time. But that's the whole point. It's like
You're not meant to be
you're
doing.
not meant to do anything.
I'm the
You're
type
just-
of person though, if I was meditating, in my head I'd be like, oh, you did it. You know,
Yeah.
like my inner head. It takes time to practice a bit, doesn't it
Yeah.
actually? But what did you think about the box?
I loved it. I just think that's so cool. I can't wait to try some more of these things, and this smell is amazing. And
Hey.
I'm looking forward to testing out the bath.
Yeah. I hope you guys enjoyed this. Do let us know if you're interested in things like this because it's very new to me, but it's so interesting because I've seen so many people talk about stuff like that, and I've always wanted a bit more of an insight, and I feel like I've just got a bit more of an insight of why these people have crystals,
Yeah.
because in the past I just thought, oh, is it a beauty or a decoration thing? But actually there's so much more behind it.
Yeah, and if you guys want to get one of these, we'll leave a link down below. This is kind of a great thing to get for yourself, or actually, I think this would be a great Christmas present.
Yeah,
If
it's
they hadn't
literally the
sent us
perfect
this,
time.
I would have got you one.
That's really cool. Anyway, we hope you enjoyed that, and we'll see you soon. Bye guys!
See ya.